Deep learning is at the cutting edge of what machines can do. This unique type of algorithm has far surpassed any previous benchmarks set by traditional algorithms. It also powers some of the most interesting applications in the world, like autonomous vehicles and real time translation. The business applications for this technology are more immediate and potentially more impactful. Welcome to our course, Introduction to Deep Learning with Caffe2. Hello, I'm Akash, and along with my co author Abhishek, we'll be your instructors for this course. The course begins with setting up Caffe2 and a brief introduction to deep learning. Next, implementing neural networks and deep learning. We'll understand how to build deep learning projects with the Python wrapper of Caffe2. We'll understand how to approach a deep learning project and look at the CNN and RNN architecture of neural networks to handle different types of data inputs. Deep learning is important because it finally makes these tasks accessible and brings previously irrelevant workloads into the purview of machine learning. Next, introduction to recurrent neural networks. In this section, we'll take a look at what are LSTMs, a special case of RNNs. We are at the dawn of a new age of artificial intelligence and would like to welcome you on board.